Before you spit it.
Oh. What is it? Oh!
I like the way, that you talk to me. Yeah. I like the way, that you scream my name, baby. I don't know how, but I know you're the one. I'm standing my ground now when I used to run. It feels like a dream, but I know that I'm up all night with you. I don't feel like dancing with nobody else. It don't feel romantic with nobody else. Can't you see that, baby? I don't want nobody else but you.
Guys, Emily brought us to this carnival and it's literally filled with middle schoolers that they can see us right now.
Because the middle school is like 10 feet to our left.
Middle schoolers. There's one sitting by us too. Disease. Hi guys, so I just want to say that we did lose Quinlan on this trip. She actually left us for the middle schooler. She became a middle schooler. It's true. You won't be seeing her for the rest of my vlogs. She's just not with us anymore. Rest in peace, Quinlan. We lost a good one today. Guys, look who it is.
Oh, hello.
God, she made me wait forever. All I wanted was some pad thai.
Oh, at least I showed up. Quinlan's not here, everybody.
Yeah, true.
I just want
Well,
everyone to know
you didn't
that.
see yesterday, but she turned into a middle schooler. I'll explain later.
Okay, well, we'll see you in the
Guys, this random guy is sitting by us. He just sat next to us. Can we help you? We don't know this guy.
I'm a C.
What's the first thing we do before we start voting?
Let me try to.
Just take a right to the door.
He's finally leaving. Oh God, as if we didn't have enough.
Serving.
He's back. We weren't clever enough.
Oh, yeah. Look on. Yeah.
Basically.
What is this?
So
I'm
what color
scared.
is that?
It's like
Okay,
light brown.
so
brown
that
spots.
could either
Stink
be.
bug or toasted marshmallow?
Yep, stink bug.
Stink bug.
Bro, I'm telling you, it's marshmallow. It's
Come on.
marshmallow. Go for it. It's marshmallow. Spit it out. Spit it out.
I just paid for like. Wait.
She's laughing at people's misery.
Ew! I didn't know what a stink bug tasted like.
Wait, see, I don't want to do this thing. Wait, I need to see what the.
I hope I get toothpaste.
Oh,
Okay, this one could either be chocolate pudding or canned dog food.
Oh!
It's canned dog food.
No, you
just gonna spit it out right
there. You spit. You ate. You chewed it for like 5 seconds.
But it was canned dog
we have to
food.
swallow
It
it?
does.
That's
That's
the
you know what?
rule.
You know when you can smell animals? Like that smell is in my mouth.
Yeah.
Take 3 at a time.
Which one did you get? It's the orange one. Wait.
Okay,
before
so
you
wait,
go,
we have
you
to
can't
figure out
eat
which
it
one
yet.
it either is or is.
Does it have like red dots?
Yes.
It could either be barf or peach. Bro, I'm telling you, it's peach. Go for it. It's peach.
It's peach.
Oh!
Take the whole thing in your mouth.
Okay, how about you have to give at least 4 chews?
What is it? Oh!
It actually tastes like bug, everybody.
That's what I said when I had it.
This is so. That really
I'm
looks
glad.
like bug, doesn't it?
I'm glad.
Oh
You
my
took
god.
one damn bite of that.
I took 4 chews. You guys said that was the rule. Which one is this?
This is barf or
Peach.
Here we go.
it tastes like. It actually tastes like stomach bile.
Oh my god, I'm scared. I don't want anybody puking. Oh my god. Please go to the bathroom. I'm scared.
That actively tastes like
Stop! Oh my god.
Crazy
night.
now. 2 of the same at a time.
Oh my god,
The
here we
chances
go.
of getting the
We're gambling,
gambling, everybody. We'll go 1, 2, 3.
I didn't do it because I said crazy.
Both of mine were tutti frutti.
Mine was good too.
Both of mine were pretty for you.
Wow.
Wow. Sometimes taking a risk
Oh,
is the best reward.
He just got in the car. He's back again. He's back. Why are you in the car?
I've had my thumb out and you guys just picked me up.
We're at 8035.
Nature took it to 10.
Hey Panini, don't you be a meanie. Thought you wanted me to go, or why you tryna keep me teeny? It's a dreamy, wished it on a genie. I got fans finally, ain't you wanting them to see me? I thought you want this for my life, for my life. Said you wanted to see me thrive. You lied, just say to me what you want from me. Just say to me what you want from me.
For anyone who doesn't know, 8035 is like a music thing that they have. It's like the one cool thing we have in Iowa.
That's why there's music that you can hear in the background right now.
But we didn't buy the tickets, so it's blocked off. We can just hear it, we can't see it.
Yeah.
That's the free life, the cheap life, Mr. Krabs life.
And listen to it as you walk.
Whole game full of drugs.
Okay, where's the heroin? Like, seriously.
Oh my god. This is so embarrassing.
Angie, it's big microphone out here, okay? I'm trying to scream and shout.
Me at the London.
If you say that,
Me at the London.
Literally allergic to grass. What are you doing? Okay, everyone. Crazy night. We're sweating. This is us. This is us signing off. Bye, guys.
thank you for your service.
What is it?
This my shit. All the girls stomp your feet like